Kia ora whānau. We're going to look at 4 really quick responses to the question, where is, where are, where is something, where is he, where is she, where is Tom. We're going to look at 4 really simple ways that you can answer that. So the first 3 look at the actual location of something. Now, these are 3 really common ways to describe where something is. Now, the first is describing the thing we're talking about being nearest to me being the person that's actually doing the talking. The second one is the thing being nearest to the person that I'm speaking to. So, say someone's holding a book, I might describe the location of the book as being near them. And then the third one is describing something as being located not near either myself or the person I'm speaking to, but way, way over there. So somewhere that's away from both of us. So just to recap on that, the first one is saying where something is near me. The second one is saying when something is near the person that we're speaking to. And the third one is saying that something is located not near either of us. It's way, way, way over there. So that's the first 3. And then the fourth one is just simply learning how to say, I don't know. So I'll jump across the screen and I'll get this written up. So first one is K Corne. So Corne basically means by me. So by me. Next one we're going to look at is K Corna. That's right, double A, K Corna. And the other one is K Kora. So by you. And a simple way to describe this one is over yonder. And I don't think I've ever said yonder in my life before until I started reading all these old Māori textbooks and Let's Learn Māori books, and they all say over yonder. So it's a bit of a blast from the past word, but it does pretty accurately describe where this thing is. It's over yonder. It's away from both of us. So if we look at our sentences, okay, I'll just make this a little bit bigger. 5, bold. So, kei here, te puka puka. Where is the book? I'll just make this a little bit smaller so it fits on the line. Where is the book? Kei kone. It's here, or it's by me. Sorry, move my recording there. It's by me, kei kone. You could extend on that. You could say kei kone te puka puka, just to fill the sentence out a little bit more, but you don't really need to. So that's the first example of how to use that. Kei hea te puka puka, kei kone, it's by me. The next one is kei kona. So it's by you. So say I ask my son, kei hea te puka puka, and it's sitting right next to him. I could simply answer my own question to him and say, kei kona te puka puka. So obviously, if I'm saying kei kona because it's near him, if he's going to respond to me because it's near him, he would say kei kone. So my response is kei kona. His response would be kei kone. Have a think about that because it might take a little bit to get your head around. And then the next one is kei kora. It is over yonder. Yonder, love that word. Or it is over there. So kei hea te puka puka, it's not near either of us. It's way over there. Kei kora te puka puka. So that's just 3 simple examples. You'll have to go away and try and work out some more words to put in here. Some things that, objects that are around the house are pretty good. Like I put on another post, Using body parts is really good for kids. So when they're really little, you can teach them all their body parts in Māori. Kei hea tō ihu. Where's your nose? It's up here. Anei. Kei kōnei. Kei kōnei. Kei hea o tāringa. Kei kōnei. Kei kōnei. So that's the three simple ones. Kōnei, kōna, and kora. And then the last one, as I said, it's how to say, I don't know. Very simple, this one. Aua. A-U-A. Aua. I don't know. So that's it. That's 4 really simple ones. Kei kōnei, kei kōna, kei kora, and aua. Use these with your questions, querying where things are and where people are. Let me know how you go.